everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is G Family Account, and today I'm going to share with you another item that I can't live without. So let me show you. This is the best vacuum for pet hair. If you have pets and they love to, especially cats and dogs, and they love to sleep on your pillows and anything that's cute, let me show you. Especially if you have velvet things, you just have so much hair on these. My favorite tool to use to get rid of all this hair is this item right here. Dyson! I love Dyson. Love, love, love. I cannot live without this. This is a pet Dyson, and I think it's like a V10 or V12. It comes with this attachment right here. This is a separate attachment. It does wonders. It's small, so it sucks in a lot of hair. I'll show you. So this is the after. It just does it so well. Look at that. Look at that. It works amazing. I love it. I highly recommend it. I will tag it on the bottom so you can make your life easier. See you next video.